wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty.
Alright. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a dorm haul because I leave in about 4 days. So I thought this might be time for it, you know. So I'm just going to jump straight into that. Okay, so starting off, I have a waterproof mattress pad. Basically, like, if I just spill anything, like, it won't stain. And I'm very prone to spilling stuff, so goodbye. I got this from Burlington for $20, which is super good because these get expensive. My charcoal infused memory foam mattress topper, which is 1.5 inches thick. And this was also $20, but this came from Ross. So there's that one. Next, I have a Bedbug and Micro Shield allergen mattress protector. You know, it's just I just want to be comfortable and, like, I don't know, I'm supposed to be comfortable on that mat. Like, I just need extra cushion. So this is my comforter. It's just gray. It looks like that. And if you know me, I went through like 3 comforters before I could decide on one because they just, y'all could have did a little better, but I guess this one will do. That came from Walmart. I don't know how much it was, but it came from Walmart. Period. We're gonna get into bed decor. So starting off, I have this gray round pillow. As you can see in comparison to my large head, it's still pretty big. Looks like that. Super cute. Next, I have this white, like fluffy, sparkly kind of, it's not a body pillow because it's not that long, but still gonna go in the corner just in case I like fall off the bed, you know what I mean? So that's there to protect me. I have these 2 like mauve colored just plain pillows that are velvet. Super cute, but I think I'm only gonna use one because like it is a twin bed. Like, how much room do I really have? It's so fluffy. This fluffy white pillow. I got this because it reminds me of my dog. I'm capping, but I got this. That's cute. So this is the throw that's going on the end of my bed. It's by BB. Came from Burlington. $15. You know, super cute. Stylish on a budget. Like, on a budget, sis. A budget. I got this printed velvet plush blanket, which is a queen size, just for like extra warmth in the winter, like in case I get cold, you know what I mean? Like, Lubbock gets cold, so like better safe than sorry, I guess. Next, moving on, I have this little caddy thingy. I don't really know what's going in here. I just bought it because, but there's this little caddy thingy, and then I have this caddy, which is actually like a bath tote, but this is kind of big, but at the same time, like, my shampoo and conditioner's pretty large, so I might use this one, might not, guess we'll find out soon. And then I got these non-woven 24 pocket over the door shoe organizer, which looks like that. Looks like that. Came from Walmart, just got my closet extra shoe space. These little over the door hooks, which is a set of 4, so I can hang like a jacket, backpack, purse, keys, whatever I really need up there. I'm super excited about this. This is literally just a belt and scarf ring that hangs in your closet. I don't wear scarves, but My belts can go on there. And then I have this little basket. There's more of these. I just don't know where they are right now. Just to put like extra stuff in. Snacks maybe. School supplies, question mark. Don't get your hopes up about that one. So I also got this mesh shower caddy thingy. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. Maybe both. Maybe I don't know. But I got this one. This one was $5.99. I don't know where it came from, but it's just like a little mesh shower bag. I got this like marble head wrap thingy. It's just like a head wrap towel. Looks like that. Oh, it's a 2-pack. I didn't even know that. One size fits most. I don't think I have a most head, so we'll see how that works. I also got the matching shower wrap, which looks like that. Don't really need it, but I thought it was cute, so like, why not? This is my laundry basket, so I can enjoy being my own, you know, maid. It's just, you know, lugging clothes to the washer and dryer. I have this little set. So I got a gray one and a pink one, a bowl for me to eat cereal, noodles, whatever. Got cups. Also got plates. So I just got 2 of each of those. You know, not too much to wash. Because like, who really wants to be washing dishes like that? So these are my face towels. I got 2 sets, I think, 3. These are my face towels. And I don't want to unfold this because I just folded it. This is the body towel. Also from Burlington, $7.99. You know, yeah, dude. We also got this one, which is just gonna hang up like in where our little sink area is. There's a little rack. Cute decoration. We got a full one. Don't know where the word sleigh is. Oh, right there. Got a full one and then just the little hand towel one. So that'll be cute. This is what my rug looks like. It's great. It's not that big, but just so that my feet aren't cold. I got this. Looks like we opened it. This 2-in-1 facial and body cleanser. Super excited about that, in all honesty. Like, I just feel like this is a great thing. Like, you know, something quick and easy. And then my favorite thing. So, as you can tell, I've already taken it out of the box, but it's a little vanity mirror. Has lights on it. You can swivel it 360 degrees. But yeah, that's going on my desk so I can beat my face, which will be very rare, but make myself feel like I will. So I'm gonna move into the decoration around my room. No, I lied. I definitely lied. It's a steam iron and garment steamer. So it's like 2-in-1. If I need to steam something rare, if I need to iron something. But ASMR. Nice and easy. Okay, on to room decorations. I got these 10-foot vintage bulb lights that look like this. They're iridescent. That's what they look like when they light up. Super cute. Came from Ross, $10.99. Next, I got these Firefly mini clip string lights. They hang photos, cards, notes, and whatnot. They look like that. Super cute. Can't wait to put all my friends on here. Yes! Okay, next I have these. I have 2 packs of these actually. They're 25 count multi LED string lights. I don't know where these are going, but I'm gonna find somewhere. That sounded like I was actually hurting. That's besides the point. Okay, moving into pictures. Now, I have a lot of pictures that are like going on the wall because like there's a lot of empty space right next to my bed. And like I just wanted that filled up. I didn't want to look at just wall. There's this one. It says, in order to be irreplaceable, one must be different. Coco Chanel. This was $14.99 at Burlington. Smaller one that says, girl, you're powerful, go prove it to the world. This is by BB, also from Burlington, $5.99. This might go on my desk. We're not exactly sure yet. It's just like one of those things that you figure out when you get there. There's this one that says, may your day be as flawless as your makeup. $9.99. It's just a little picture clip thingy. It's fluffy. You can hang pictures on it or like clip pictures to it and everything. This was $10. Also from Burlington. Next, I have this little letter board. And I don't know what I'll put on this, but then I got this little hashtag flawless LED neon light sign, which was $17. There's that. That's super cute. I have this little picture as well that says, inhale confidence, exhale doubt. Burlington, $5.99. There's this one that says, Coco made me do it. I have the same exact one, but like the big version, like in my current room, but it's black. So it's just like a little piece of home in a way. I have this little step stool ladder thingy, because my bed's not super high, but like I don't want to jump in it. Like it's not up in the air to where I need like a full ladder, but a little step stool will do. This cute little one that says lash out. This one was $5.99 from TJ Maxx, and then you got this, which was also $5.99 from TJ Maxx. So like the smaller ones are probably gonna go like just like around like the bigger pictures, so that the walls don't look as empty. Oh, the biggest thing that I have to go on my wall, and my absolute favorite thing that I'm so excited about, is this. So that's what this looks like. Oh my god, it's just a glass calendar with it's like a dry erase calendar. And the top just says this month's plans. So you just put like important dates that you have on here, like if you have a test, just anything like that, days you need to study, even like going out with your friends, birthdays, anything that you really want to put on there, you can. So I got this adjustable lap desk, which looks like that. This is $15 at Ross. It's just so, it has like little legs and everything. Just so I can, you know, study, eat, whatever, like in bed. You know, I'm excited. You know, I'm so excited. So excited. This package actually just got here. I don't know what it is. Oh wait, yes I do. It says it on the box. But this one's actually a secret from my dad. He's downstairs, and I really hope he doesn't come up here. I got a little Keurig mini. So it's a Q Mini Plus. I don't think it comes. Does it come with a pot store? Oh, it does. No, it doesn't. I don't know. It's just, it fits anywhere. If you know me, I don't drink coffee, but I do drink hot chocolate and green tea. So, like I said, so excited. So excited. Little desk lamp. It has a regular plug and also an USB port in here. It's just an adjustable. Anyways, it's just a little lamp or whatever that's going also on my desk. That is everything that is going in my dorm room this year. Super excited. I move in a couple of days. So yeah, I'll be doing a move-in vlog or whatever, just to show you how me and my mom and my dad like set up my room and everything, get everything going, the flow, make me feel at home. So yeah, thank you for watching.